Well, good morning. Good morning. Thank you all for being here. I'm going to open in a word of prayer because that's what we do at Martin's. And let's get started. How about that?
Our vision here is to bake the best product, have the best distribution support system out there. And the key is whatever it takes, God helping us. Everybody needs food. And we happen to provide what we feel, and others have told us, is the best potato bread and rolls now in the world. And over 60 years ago, our grandparents started this vision. They started the business to obviously earn an income for themselves and their employees, and to put smiles on people's faces, providing a really good eating experience with baked items. And all these decades later, my grandparents started, we still have the same goal. We have an opportunity here to provide jobs to over 1,800 families. We want to build for the future, and we don't take that lightly as leaders to make sure that we're making good and wise decisions.
Why are we here? Several reasons. One, really big boats can carry our product across the ocean. It's partly why we're here. But more importantly, it's because we love to improve the lives of our employees, our community, and our customers by providing good paying jobs, and because we supply customers that have a need, that we fill that need for them. That's why business works. You got to be filling a need, and we're proud to be supplying a need that is fundamental to people's lives. And most important, to do all of that in a way that honors God in how we conduct ourselves and represent Him.